What's up, guys? This is D-Lou Studios, and today I'm going to give my honest thoughts on what I think about Project Hail Mary, the new space movie coming out with Ryan Gosling, and also just my thoughts on the trailers and what we should expect from it when it comes out this year. Obviously, to start out, it looks very high budgeted, which is good. I think it's based off a book. Not exactly sure. Let me know in the comments if I'm wrong. But so far, it looks interesting. I mean, here's the thing with space movies. They're either really entertaining or they're freaking boring. So it's up to you if you like stuff like that. It could be a slow burn movie. I mean, I think it's a long movie probably. It probably has to be to set up stuff, but I like Ryan Gosling, and I think he can do a good job with this. So what I've gotten so far is he meets an alien in space because the world's about to end and he has to find a solution. That's really all about it gives us in the trailers, I would say. But the trailers are fine. They've gotten better, I think. Ryan Gosling looks great. The alien thing's interesting. That'll be a switch up. I don't know exactly how the alien's going to tie in, like if he's going to be sort of in the good or sort of in the bad of, the thing is, we don't know how aliens are. So, but hopefully it's a good alien. It doesn't try to kill him in the movie. That'd be a disappointment for him to do all that and just turn out the alien just like kills everybody. But hopefully the alien will help him. I don't know, maybe figure out a solution. I don't really know much about this, though. I just watched the trailers. Like I said, never read the book. I think there was a book about it. But I want to know what you guys think about your honest opinion about it so far. Like I said, this is just a review of what I think. And I've seen all the 3 trailers that have come out. And I'm actually impressed. I'm excited. I think I would give this a try in the movies when it comes out. I think it's given me enough to give it a shot. I do like space movies, depending on the topic, of course, of what it might be about. But overall, not bad from Project Hail Mary. But I want you guys to let me know what content you want me to follow or react to next, whether it be movies, music, sports, anything. I'm building my channel, and I appreciate you guys supporting it and subscribing. And yeah, go like this video, go subscribe, and I'm going to keep putting out content as much as I can. But D-Lou Studios, guys.